Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Samsung keyboard. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Next, tap Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now, select Languages and Types. Tap Manage Input Languages. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. If your preferred language isn't installed, tap the Download button next to it. Once the language has been downloaded, turn on the toggle to enable it. Now, go back to Languages and Types. Tap Language Switching Method and choose how you'd like to switch between languages, such as using the language key or swiping the spacebar. Open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes, to bring up the Samsung keyboard. Tap the language key or swipe left or right on the spacebar to switch to your preferred language. And that's it. That's how you can change the language on your Samsung keyboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.